On the magical Galapagos Islands lived Leo, a wise old tortoise who had seen many changes over a century. These islands were special, home to unique animals that adapted perfectly to their environment. One morning, something strange began to happen, upsetting the delicate balance of nature. Marine iguanas tried to fly. Blue-footed boobies swam deep underwater, and even the finches sang the wrong songs. Leo knew the great balance was upset, and he had to act quickly. That's when he met Pip, a young, worried sea lion. "We must fix the great balance," Leo said, thoughtful. "To do that, we need to find 3 special natural essences hidden on the island." Pip, though young, was eager to help his new friend. Their first stop was a volcanic vent, where warm steam bubbled from the earth.
"Here we'll find the essence of fire,"
Leo explained.
"which gives creatures strength."
Next, they journeyed deep underwater to a dark ocean trench. Pip wasn't afraid. Here, they would find the essence of water, full of calming power. Finally, they climbed to a highland forest at the island's peak to find the essence of life, a scent reminding animals who they were. With the 3 essences in hand, Leo and Pip returned to the island center, ready to restore balance to their home. Leo sprinkled the magic essences over the creatures. The iguanas stopped their flying attempts. They were much better at swimming. The blue-footed boobies stopped swimming deep and began diving gracefully from the air once more, finding the sea with their eyes and wings. And the finches sang their familiar songs once again, tearful and bright, filling the air with music. Leo smiled wisely.
Every creature has a special way to live and thrive. The islands help them be just right for their home.
Pip wagged his tail happily. Everyone has a place and a role. We just had to remember it. And so the island's great balance was restored, each creature unique and perfect. The marine iguanas swam skillfully, diving deep for algae, their dark bodies sleek in the clear water. The blue-footed boobies, with their bright blue feet, dove gracefully from high above, catching fish with precision. The finches, with their varied beaks, hopped through the trees, each finding the perfect food for its unique beak shape. Leo the tortoise, the oldest resident, watched over the islands, ensuring the great balance remained strong. Full of energy, explored the shores, making new friends and playing in the waves. Together, they learned the importance of each creature's special role in the magical Galapagos Islands. The animals lived happily ever after, each unique and perfect in their own way, contributing to the island's charm. The iguanas basked in the sun, the boobies fished, and the finches sang, all in their natural rhythm. Leo, with his wisdom, and Pip, with his enthusiasm, protected the balance of their unique home. The Galapagos Islands remained a magical place, where nature's balance was always cherished. And so ends the tale of Leo and Pip, who restored the great balance on the island of mismatched magic. The great balance was restored and life on the Galapagos Islands thrived once more.